go to Jcpenney because I hear they have squishies there. So I'm going to check it out and see if my Jcpenney's has the Kawaii Squishies that I've been seeing people find there. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I hope you like my video. Guys, so I got the panda bun one, super cute. I'll probably do another video where I take them out of the bag, so be sure to subscribe. But they're super slow rising. Here's the tag. I got the cupcake one. I also got the bear one. He looks like a loaf of bread, like a bear bread.